Glas schafft Vertrauen.
Glass inspires confidence. Consumers trust glass, and they know they can trust Noelle von Campe to produce it.
Verpackungsmaterialien herzustellen. Wir selbst wollen auch Partner.
We want partners we can trust. That is why we chose Atlas Copco as our vacuum solutions supplier.
Vakuumlösung entschieden.
Noelle von Campe are specialists in the production of high-quality glass packaging. They have been a trusted supplier for both industrial filling companies and for small family-run businesses for more than 150 years. Part of their success is due to their focus on innovation.
Wir sind seit unserer Gründung im Jahre.
We have been a technological innovator since 1866. We were among the first to introduce new types of glass furnaces, and we still look for new techniques and technologies today.
Nach neuen Techniken und Technologien.
Often, the jars and bottles that this German company produces are personalized for their customers.
Der letzte Schliff.
The final touch is adding a customer's logo or name. When molding the glass, we use vacuum to add such special effects.
Solche Spezialeffekte hinzuzufügen.
And that vacuum is supplied by a state-of-the-art Atlas Copco solution.
Atlas Copco
installed 3 GHS 4600 VSD plus oil-injected screw pumps here. These energy-efficient machines are essential to the production process. Using vacuum saves a lot of energy. You could achieve the same result using compressed air, but you'd need 5 times more air and energy.
If you want to get an idea of just how big this German firm is, well, look at its numbers.
Wir exportieren.
We export to over 35 countries. We have 500 dedicated staff members and a product range of 720 different items. We make 650 million jars per year.
Such a big output requires lots of energy. Choosing the right vacuum solution can bring about big savings.
Hier ist eine weitere Zahl.
Here's another number, 27%. That is how much energy we save by installing new vacuum pumps.
Eingespart.
Atlas Copco's extensive experience in supplying smart solutions and our broad portfolio of various technologies make us a one-stop shop for demanding customers in the glass industry.
Atlas Copco is a one-stop shop for vacuum and compressed air solutions. We have all the necessary know-how and products in-house. Noelle von Campe uses lots of vacuum. We supplied the perfect solution, and our oil-free Z compressors provide all the compressed air they need.
Choosing the right vacuum solution is one thing. Getting it to perform optimally is the next step. Atlas Copco offers an array of instruments that help you run your vacuum installation in the most harmonious way.
The reduced energy consumption of the GHS VSD Plus was music to the ears of Noelle von Campe. A vacuum installation is like a musical instrument. It must be tuned perfectly for it to run optimally. That's why we also installed our ES16 central controller. The central controller can monitor and control multiple GHS VSD Plus vacuum pumps simultaneously. The smart control system balances and optimizes the performance of all machines, reducing the overall energy consumption.
The reduced energy consumption isn't the only advantage that this new vacuum solution brought.
Our vacuum supply is much more stable now. Even when we need to change molds or adjust our processes, the new system runs reliably. A stable vacuum supply directly affects the quality of the end product, and we don't compromise on quality.
Like Noelle von Campe, Atlas Copco combines craftsmanship and extensive experience with personalized solutions.
The economy becomes more global, but don't underestimate the importance of local knowledge and specialized experience.
Noelle von Campe wanted more for less. More vacuum, more control, more stability. less energy consumption, and less worries. Atlas Copco's GHS VSD Plus delivered on all counts.
Atlas Copco has a long history of partnering with glass manufacturers. Our solutions and installations are not one size fits all. They're made to measure for each individual customer, and they are complete solutions.